Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for class plus 1 and plus 2. In this video, we will discuss some basic concepts of relations and functions and solve some important MCQs of previous papers. So let's begin. Important results and definitions. First of all, relation. Let A and B be two sets. A relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Firstly, let's discuss about A cross B. That what is it? If we have two sets A and B, and in set A there are two elements 1 and 2, and in set B 3, 4. Now A cross B is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. Now relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Any subset of A cross B is a relation. Let R be a relation from A into B. If AB belongs to R, then we write A is in relation to B. Next, domain. Let R be a relation from a set A to a set B. Then set of all first components or coordinates of the ordered pairs belonging to R is called the domain of R. For example, A such that AB belongs to relation. Next, range. Let R be a relation from set A to a set B. Then the set of all second components or coordinates of the ordered pairs belonging to R is called range of R. Range of R is equal to B such that AB belongs to R. For example, if a relation is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, then domain is equal to 1, 3, 4 and 6, and range is equal to second coordinates, that is 2, 4, 5 and 7. Next, types of relations. Empty relation. A relation R in a set A is called empty relation if no element of A is related to element of A. R is equal to phi because phi is a subset of A cross A. So this is called empty relation. Universal relation. If each element of A is related to every element of A, then it is called universal relation. Next is reflexive relation. A relation R in A is said to be reflexive if A is related to A for all A belongs to A. Like 1, 1, 2, 2. A related to A. This is a reflexive relation. Next, symmetric relation. A relation R in A is said to be symmetric if A related to B implies B related to A. If A related to B implies 2 related to 1, that is B related to A, then the relation is called symmetric relation. Next is transitive relation. A relation R in A is said to be transitive if A related to B and B related to C implies A related to C. For example, 1 related to 2 and 2 related to 3 implies 1 is also related to 3. This relation is called transitive relation. And next is equivalence relation, very important. A relation R in A is said to be an equivalence relation if and only if R is reflexive, R is symmetric, and R is transitive. Then it is called equivalence relation. Next is function. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then a function f from set A to B is a rule which associates element of set A to elements of set B. All elements of set A are associated to elements in set B. An element of set A is associated to a unique element in set B. For example, we have two sets 1, 2, 3, A, B and C. All elements of set A are associated to elements of B like this. And an element of set A is associated to a unique element of B. Every element is associated with unique element. Then it is called function. In other words, a function f from set A to B associates each element of A to a unique element of set B. Now types of functions. First one is 1, 1 function is also called injective function. A function is 1 if images of distinct elements of X under F are distinct. To prove that a function is 1, we have to prove that fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Next, onto function or surjective function. A function is surjective if every element of y is the image of some element of x. For every y belongs to y, there exists an element x in x such that fx is equal to y. Then it is called onto function. Next is 1 onto or bisective function. Bisective means both 1 and onto. If a function is 1 and onto, then it is called bisective function. Now let us solve some examples of relations and functions. First one is f is such that R to R fx is equal to 3x minus 5 is. Now for 1, fx1 is equal to fx2, that is 3x1 minus 5 is equal to 3x2 minus 5 implies x1 is equal to x2, that is fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 is equal to x2, that is f is 1 function. Now for onto, take fx is equal to y, 3x minus 5, then find out the value of x. which is equal to 5 plus y by 3. Now fx is equal to 3. Put value of x 5 plus y by 3 minus 5. 3 3 cancelled. 5 5 also cancelled. Then fx is equal to y. Now if fx is equal to y, then it is onto function. So f is both 1 1 and onto. So B is correct option. Next question. Let R be relation on A 1 2 3 by R is equal to 1 3 3 1 2 2. Then R is, now 1 is related to 3 and 3 is related to 1. That is, it is symmetric relation. So answer is B option. Next, the domain of function defined by fx is equal to under root 9 minus x square is. Now for domain, 9 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. That is 9 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. That is minus x square is greater than equal to minus 9. That is x square is less than equal to plus minus 3. That is x range is minus 3 to 3. So answer is B option. Next question. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 and relation is 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 3 3 2 and 1 2. Then R is, because 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3, that is R is reflexive. Next, one is related to 3 and 3 is related to 2, implies 1 is related to 2. So it is transitive. So it is reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric. So answer is B option. Next question. From previous papers, let A star B is equal to 3A plus 2B star be a binary operation, then 2 star 3 equals, because A star B is equal to 3A plus 2B. Now A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Put value in this expression. We get 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 12. So answer is C option. Next question is also similar. A star B is equal to 2A plus 3B and star B a binary operation, then 3 star 2 equals. Now A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. Put value 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Then again it is equal to 12. So answer is C option. Next, if A is equal to A, B, C, D, then a relation AA, BB, CC and DD on A is, so clearly it is a reflexive relation because A is related to A, B is related to B, C is related to C, and D is related to D. So it is reflexive. Next question. Let R be a relation on set N given by R is equal to AB, A is equal to B minus 2 and B is greater than 6. Then now A is equal to B minus 2 and B is greater than 6. Because B is greater than 6, so and A is equal to B minus 2. So answer is C option. It satisfies both conditions. B is equal to 8, which is greater than 6, and A, that is 6, is equal to B minus 2. B means 8 minus 2. So answer is C option. Next question. Let R is equal to AA, BB, CC and AB be a relation on a set A is equal to A, B, C. Then R is a reflexive relation. Next question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 be a relation on A. Then R is, now 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3, implies 1 is also related to 3. So it is transitive relation. So answer is C option. Next question. If a binary operation is defined by A star B is equal to A plus B, then this is equal to, first of all, solve for bracket 3 star 2, that is A plus B. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 star 4. Now 5 star 4 means 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9. So answer is C option. Next question. If A star B is equal to A raised to the power B minus 1 be a binary operation, then 3 star 4 is equal to, now A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Put value of A and B in this expression. A, that is 3 and B is 4. 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1. 3 raised to the power 3, that is 27. So answer is A option. Next question. Let R be a relation in set N given by AB, A minus B is equal to 5 and A is greater than 7. So clearly answer is B option because it satisfies both conditions. A is greater than 7, 9 is greater than 7 and A minus B is equal to 5, that is 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So answer is B option. Next question. If F is bisection, then it is 1, 1 and on 2. Okay students, now you will solve similar MCQs for practice. Thank you.